Hi, welcome to the Z Gym. This is your lifted butt series, workout number 12. And this workout is yoga inspired, so the only thing that you're gonna need is your yoga mat. So I want you to start at the edge of your mat and we're gonna start with the flow. So inhale, arms up, exhale, bend forward, hands on the ground and look at your knees. Inhale, get into the flat back. Exhale, hands on the ground and jump into the plank. Inhale here. Now exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Relax your neck. Try to bring your heels as close to the ground as you can. Push your hips up and back. Stretch your shoulders, stretch your arms. And now I want you to go all the way down onto your belly. And we're gonna do leg lifts. So stretch your arms out in front of you. And you're gonna be lifting one leg up, squeeze your glutes, down, and switch legs. Really think about lifting the leg as high up as you can, squeezing your butt, so that you really work that area. We're gonna do 20 reps total. So get ready and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now we're gonna lift both legs up and your upper body up off of the ground. Squeeze your glutes and hold. Don't forget to breathe. Hold. Keep squeezing your glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now hands underneath your shoulders. Go into upward dog, downward dog. Jump your feet forward and stand up. Arms overhead, inhale, exhale. Now we're gonna do warriors butt lifts. So I want you to stand on one leg. You can bend the knees slightly and just bend forward from your hips. Keep your back straight. Extend your arms in front of you. Extend the back leg and we're gonna do leg lifts. 1, squeeze your glutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stand up. We're gonna do 10 more. So, arms in front of you, bend forward, keep your back straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stand up. Now we're going to switch legs, do the same thing on the other leg. Arms up overhead, back straight, bend forward from your hips, bend the standing knee slightly, and now do the leg lifts. 1, 2, 3, really squeeze your glutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and stand up. And 10 more reps, arms overhead, inhale, bend forward, keep your back straight, standing leg is slightly bent in the knee, and do the leg lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Inhale, exhale. Now we're gonna do a flow. So again, inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, bend forward, look at your knees. Inhale into straight back. Exhale, hands on the ground and jump into the plank. Inhale here. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. And now we're gonna go all the way on the ground and move to your side. The bottom arm is gonna be stretched so that you can lay on it, so you can lay on your arm for support. And we're gonna be doing laying leg abductions. So we're gonna be raising the top leg up, squeezing your glutes, and down. And we're gonna do 20 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, roll onto your belly. Arms in front of you. You can place them right in front of you so you can place your forehead on your hands. And you're gonna bring your knees apart, put your feet together, and we're gonna do these frog leg lifts, 20 reps. So lift your knees off of the ground, squeeze your glutes, and back down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Now we're gonna switch sides and do the same thing on the other side. So first, laying leg abductions. So you're gonna lift the top leg up, squeeze your glutes, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really focus on squeezing your butt. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And now roll over onto your belly again. Hands in front of you so that you can place your forehead down, and knees apart, feet together. You're gonna do frog leg lifts, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, now we're gonna do another flow. So first get into the plank. We're gonna do chaturanga, upward dog, exhale, downward dog. Get on your 4, and we're gonna do this cross knee kick up. So you're gonna cross your knee, and then you're gonna kick the leg up and squeeze your glutes. And we're gonna do 20 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now get into the downward dog, and the same leg is gonna do knee tuck and kick up. 1, 2, 3, knee to forehead, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and get on your 4 again. And now we're gonna do the same thing with the other leg. So we're gonna start with the cross knee kick up, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now downward dog again, and the same leg is gonna do knee tuck and kick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now you're gonna bring one leg forward, knee forward, and we're gonna get into the pigeon pose. You're gonna stretch. You can lean over the front knee and just breathe. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna switch legs. The other knee goes forward. Hold this position for a couple seconds. And you can lean forward over the front knee. And breathe. You should feel the stretch in your hips. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get into the plank. Now we're gonna flip over on our back. You're gonna lay down. Your back should be flat on the ground. You're gonna cross one knee with your other leg. Make sure that the ankle is outside of the leg, that the ankle doesn't press against the knee. Flex the foot. Now grab the knee with both hands. Keep your back on the ground and pull on that knee slightly until you feel the stretch in the opposite leg, in the opposite hips. And relax and switch legs. Breathe. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit up. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this workout, and make sure now that you're eating right, that you're not sabotaging your training with your diet, because that would be a shame. You're working really hard, and if you've done this entire lifted butt series workouts, then you should be already seeing some progress. And so if you guys want to send me some before and after pictures, you're always welcome to, and I will see you in the next workout in the Z Gym. Ciao!